So I would like to invite now Shri Sapam Nisikant Singh, Honorable MLA, Government of Manipur, to come up on the podium and give a few words.
Honorable Union Minister 𝐴𝐲 Singh, Professor Kaushal Kumar Sharma, Dean JNU, Shri Balwant Singh, ex-MLA Government of J&K, Professor Bhagwat Meenam, Shri Umesh Upadhyay ji, President Director of Media of Reliance Industries Limited. Today, we stand here to observe 132nd Patriots Day, and we stand here, we all gather here to commemorate, to honor our braves. I am not a historian, but of course I do know what happened. I've read, and I believe in the Khongjam War, every brave, all the brave hearts fought till the last man standing. And today I was reading a column where they said that Major Pauna Pratsabasi in that war was the last man standing. And after seeing his courage and his skill, the British offered him a plum post to join and to switch sides. And to that, he said that I embrace death to treason. So proud that Pauna Pratsabasi happens to be our forefather. And 13th August today is a day where our Yuvraj beat the 𝐾𝐬𝐬𝐿 and General Thangal was hanged. And of course, when I came across General Thangal's name, his name is Lukthaubo Thangal. He was born in the Thangal tribe. So when then I realized that since many hundreds of years, we people, I mean the hill people, Tam and Ching, have been one, and that's how we should be. And all I want to say is today, being the Patriots Day, where we are honoring our braves, and they fought for for Manipur, for the sovereignty of Manipur. And today, we are also going through a very bad phase where we are fighting with each other. But yes, all I want to say is the resolve to keep Manipur intact must be very strong. And I just want to say that what hurts me the most is the MLR and LR Act 1960. I am sure this was wrongly done. This was wrongly done. I'm sure this will be undone. This needs to be undone. And in the same country as we live, Himachal Pradesh is a place where it's also India, part of India, where even a Rajput. I have a Rajput friend who has an orchard in Jubbal, which is way up in the hills. So a Rajput, by the Hindu hierarchy, is nowhere low. It's very high. So it's the same, if Himachal can have that kind of law, I'm sure Manipur can have that law. So anyway, so all I can say is that we must stand strong, very strong resolve to make sure that Manipur remains intact as one state, like our forefathers have kept it for us. So we keep Manipur intact for our children, for the generations to come next. And as a bigger community, we got to embrace people and मैं जरूर चाहूंगा कि मणिपुर में खुशी रहे, अमन रहे, शांति रहे और एकता बनी रहे। हिमालय बाप मणिपुर नाम